Big, big present. No, try the other side, Bob. Try the other side. Yeah.
Woohoo!
Oh. Can I put it around you? You put it around your neck like the dog.
What is it? What is it? It's a little present inside a big present.
What is this?
I don't know.
Dad, Mom.
Hold on, Ed. We're watching Isabel open her present.
I know. It's got to be in there. What is it? What is it? It's a littler present. Oh my goodness.
Come on, you're wasting it.
Okay. Oh. I'm
Oh
Dr.
gosh, it's a box.
I'm Dr.
It's a
Dad,
box.
here to see Abby Lynn. Can you take a deep breath? No? Do you want to wear it?
I don't know what the heck
No? You want Daddy to be the doctor?
Well, Daddy's gonna be the doctor, not me. Daddy is. Daddy's the doctor. And then I want very fast.
Get it open yet, Bob?
Oh, what is it, Val?
Is it an iPhone or an iPod?
Let me see. I think it's an iPod.
I got
An iPod?
Wow.
What color is it, Belle?
an iPod!
Wow. That's pretty exciting.
Merry Christmas.
Merry
Thank
Christmas
you.
for sure. Oh my.
Well, I tell you, sometimes good things come in small packages, eh?
And sometimes they come in big ones.